Hey, good morning, good morning, good morning. How's everybody doing out there? Let's get it. All right. Let's see. There we go. There we goes. So today's gonna be the big day for Nvidia. Nvidia has earnings coming out today after the bell. Nvidia had a little knee jerk on the way down this morning. Starting to see a lot more news about now. Iran and Oman agreeing on terms of how much the tolls are going to be. Yep, we got PCE coming out. We got GDP. I think it's preliminary GDP too. Let's go look real quick. Wednesday. Yeah, core PCE price index, preliminary GDP numbers coming out. Durable good orders coming out. Personal income, personal spending. So 8:30, we have a decent amount of news coming out. Then we have barking at 11:45. So, hey, 11-inch guy, what's up? What's up? Raj, Cove, let's get it. So, all right, I gotta make sure I hit the lucky like button myself. And let's see. Bam, there we go. Be lucky number 16. Oof. Hey, Block Talk, what's up? Good morning. So, yeah, I saw gold was back down, Raj. I was looking at that this morning. I didn't see how high it went last night, though. Afterwards. Yeah, so it almost made it back to that band last night. And then dipped and just keeps on dipping. You did pass your evaluation? I can't do it for you. You can do it. You and the market. It's a fight between you and the markets. I want to pass my evals too, but I don't think it's going to happen today. So that's a little bit of a problem. We start seeing the news come out with Iran and Oman. They agreed to share the revenues from the Iran and Oman Straits. So they still plan to collect some tolls there. That's going to be a problem. But crude oil so far this morning, still down. It's off the lows, but it's still down for the session. So we'll see how that finishes up or not. Hey, Patriot, what's up? Good morning. Don't forget, we have 2 Lucid accounts up for grabs. Yeah, last night was horrible for me. Golly. I made it up $600. Then I went down. I can't remember. I think 1,300 was my low watermark. And then got back up to $600. Yeah, we definitely got news today. We got lots and lots of news. 8:30. 8:30 is gonna be the key time, so I might hold off until the news comes out for myself this morning. I mean, last night did a number on me, so I don't want to repeat of that. We got Bitcoin down just a little bit this morning, which Bitcoin's had a pretty good strong run up, consolidating some of these gains for the time being. Dollar index, slight little move up. Yields, 10-year yield is up. Not up a whole lot yet. The 10-year probably is going to move after that news at 8:30. So, hey, mine's gold. What's up? What's up? Good morning. I use OBS. It's free. I have a paid one too, but I haven't used that in a few years. OBS does everything you need to do. Wish I would have just started with OBS, but it is what it is. I use OBS to record my videos as well. Hey, not a problem. Hey, Paul, what's up? Good morning. I feel like I just talked to you. Oh, man. Too much fun. VIX is up 22 cents. Let's go look at the heat map in pre-market. What do we got going on? Getting a little smacking back down here. Nvidia down, Apple down, Microsoft down, Tesla down, SpaceX down. So we have Meta, Amazon, and Google just barely up. Really surprised to see this. So we come over and we look at the chip sector. I'm really surprised that is down. Only because of the fact that Cosby did come back last night. Cosby's up 65. Nikkei was up 405 last night. Hey, Elevated Life, good morning. Reinstall Ninja makes you get a tilt. It definitely does not help it. Any type of frustrations do not help the tilt mode. I will say last night probably would have been worse if I wasn't on stream. I could feel it starting to kick in again. I was like, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. But we were all good. Yeah, OBS really isn't all that difficult. Once you, from what I was using before, it was quite hard, but it's not that bad. Not that bad. So we shall see. NQ range 29,871 to 28,645. 29,871. Just want to go visualize that. 871. That's up here. That's pretty decent. Well, hey, so when I used to stream, if I tried to stream the TV, when I had the 65-inch TV, it'd be blurry too. I never could straighten that out. The new monitors, people say it streams better, which I don't understand how, but I don't know. I do know. Gold range. Let's go look at gold. 48.42. Hey, Roger, are you sure about 48.42? Wow, you got a big range there. I was like, 48. I don't see us making it up there. I'd be even surprised if we made it to the bottom of it. Of that range. That's a huge range. You give yourself a big window to be right on that one. 45, 55. I mean, it could happen. It'd be all the way down here at that high volume node right there. For one day, that seems like a lot. I mean, we've seen gold do it before, but watch it blow past those levels. That'd be funny. What I think looks like a large move now, and the market just says, "Ah, you thought that was big? Watch this." Hey, Lee, what's up? Good morning. Yeah, they're not gonna. I mean, they could. Anything's possible, but I don't see the circuit breakers getting activated today. Famous last words. 2 minutes later. What the beep? Hey, so starting off this morning, it's a little bit different than we have been seeing. What's going on there? Anyways, spot gamma, the options flow is already starting to go up, which has not been doing it this early in the morning. Now it's just slightly. We'll get a better read on that once the market's open, but at least it's trying to head in that direction. So if you're looking to be a buyer, you should feel good about that. I talk to myself all day long. I think it'd be hilarious if somebody was just watching from the outside in. They'd be like, this guy's just staring at 2 monitors talking to himself. I gotta try to watch. Hey, Roach, good morning. Now, that's a pretty good dip down we had last night that recovered. We got right back into the range. So all this choppiness around here. We still have the weekly point of controls we have not hit. We are below value area low. So we start getting above value area low, then I'll start looking more towards that point of control at 595 on the NASDAQ. On the S&P, 84. We're right there at it. We're 2 points above value area low on the ES on the weekly. So there's a shot. There's a chance we go back to the structure area right here. We hit that level again. I feel we're going to break it. Then probably make our way towards 77.25. We have the news catalyst this morning that could do it, or it could go ahead and complete out the lower pattern that we have. Don't forget, we still have this ABC pattern that's been in play. We talked about it many times, which is 76.25. About another 60 points lower than where we're at. AD charts, what's up? What's up? Hey, I was looking for you last night. I was gonna put you in the duck race. I didn't see you. Oh, let's go look at this. This is what they're telling us here. Here's what Financial Juice has out for what we should expect. So much lower PCE, stocks up, dollar down, yields down, gold up. Just a little bit lower, stocks up, dollar down, yields down. In line, everything sideways, up, stocks down, gold down, dollar and yields up. Much higher, stocks really down, gold down, yields and dollar higher. So where do you guys think we fall in this spectrum? Where do you guys think we're gonna fall within here? Again, YouTube's drinking that haterade on me again too. So if you guys can smash that lucky like button, I greatly appreciate it. Help defeat the YouTube algorithms. They're showing the streams to a quarter of the people. Quarter to half the people, depending on which one. So they're not liking me at the moment. Likes are free for a limited time only. Can't guarantee it if inflation keeps going up, but at least for now, we're gonna keep prices the same. The like button is absolutely free. Yeah, GDP will be important. Well, our last two inflation readings weren't bad. If I remember right. Let's go look. Oh, it wasn't there. Oh, here it was. Yeah, it's 0.2 year over year. Year over year went down a little bit. The one before that was really good. It was much lower than what they forecasted. So we'll see if we keep that trend or not. You're in bad shape. Yeah, I was in bad shape last night. I feel you on being in bad shape. All right, let me see. Hey, deep charts, I'm putting you on the list. So if you're in here when we do the giveaway, you'll have a spot. So I was gonna put you on last night, but I couldn't find you. Hey, Eddie, good morning. Oh, we do have all the overseas markets that I track are currently in the green. Currently are closed green. We even have the DAX. DAX is up 71. Near session highs. CAC is right here near session highs. But we do have information. You know, we have news coming out which could cause the market to reprice dramatically. Will it be in the favor of the bulls or in the favor of the bears? That news is set to come out here in about 19 minutes. Hey, Mike, what's up? A business dinner to attend. Hey, you gotta take care of business. You didn't miss a whole much last night. Saw me going to drawdown once again. Thankfully, it's funny. Oh man, so upset after the fact. I chickened out of the trade. Out of one of the trades I was in, I chickened out. Where's it at here? So I was in down here at the low. I was going to try to get out at 181. We had VWAP right around there. Plus, we had the fib, 38% retracement, right around the same level. I ended up getting out at 160-ish. I think it was 161. I was trying for 180, and I kept talking about I might move it up to 200. And look, that sucker went from 160 all the way up here to 270 something. Oh, man. It's like once I got out, it just accelerated on the way up. This chart doesn't do it any justice, but that was horrible. Yeah, I pushed another 30 points, which I wasn't upset. You know, that got me back. So I was pretty red all night. And a couple trades before that, I was placing, 2 contracts. I think one of them might even have 3 contracts on. The big winning trade, of course, only has 1 contract on it. Hey, Neo, what's up? What's up? Good morning. Don't forget, guys and gals, we have news coming out in about 17 minutes. So I'm going to err on the side of caution. I'm going to wait until the news is released and then make my trading decisions afterwards. Use code Mike when in doubt. I appreciate that. Those of you that do use my code, it does help with the giveaways. Allows me to reach out to the prop firms and try to get some accounts to give out to you guys. So hopefully the market's going to be kind to us today. All right, a little bit of a rough patch last night. Now in the NASDAQ here, we have a little ABC pattern trying to form here before the news. Here's the A to B leg. B to C is this corrective move right here. And we project right up here for D, which is only about 29,241.75. Any kind of a little bull flaggish pattern, right? Little flagpole. Got the flag right here. So be kind, rewind. Brandon says I used your code more often than I'd like to. I mean, I appreciate that, but I feel bad that you've had to use it so often. I mean, trust me, I know how that goes. Hey, my fun in futures. I don't know if you guys saw the video I dropped late last night, but 50% off the first 4 uses of code Mike on any account. After that, 40% off all accounts. And no more monthly subscription fees. So they're all their accounts are one-time fees. That's pretty good. Pretty good. Lucid started a pretty good trend. So Apex started the trend, multiple accounts. And Lucid started the trend, no monthly fees. That's pretty awesome. 25K for only $21. Nice. Yeah, hey, outro, I did. I didn't get a chance to read over all of it, but I was going to and probably do a video on it. .51 deviation of VWAP. Ugh, where's that at? Let's go see where Mr. The VWAP's at. Ooh, I'd be down there below the lows. A little bit below the lows of last night. Yikes. Yikes. Oh, Google's down now. So Apple and Meta are the only 2 Mag 7 in the green. What about RSP real quick? Let's look at SPY versus RSP. SPY is down 0.07. RSP is down 0.1. Wow, RSP shot up this morning. That had to be a bad tick. Hey, Four Legs, good morning. Let's see. Oh, I'm going to try to throw you in there too. Do. Hey, Four Legs. So I have you as one of the contestants in the duck race if you're on here when we when we do it. Hey, Chris, good morning. Yeah, hopefully you can get one. Oh, son of a biscuit. Yeah, I'm gonna put my assistant on for a minute. I'm gonna leave him on for a minute. I gotta go refill my water. Give me one moment. I'll be right back. All right, what did I miss? What did I miss? Anything? Trying to go back up here. Got 10 minutes till the news, so let's see if we can just hold off uno momento. Hey, poor guy, what's up? I gotta be honest with you. I feel bad for poor guy every time I see the name. I'm gonna guarantee you a spot. As long as you're in here when we do the duck race. As long as you're in here when we do it, you got guaranteed a spot. Reach 46.95. Let's go look at gold real quick. Raj gave us a pretty big range today with gold. So you say 40. Yeah, 29,386. I like it. I like it. It looked like it was on a tear up there last night when we got off, and then we just went into this consolidation. Missed a 100-point pop. I mean, it wouldn't be surprising to me if it really did happen, but good morning. Who's it? Task Force. Hey, Patriot, as long as you're on stream, I'll give you a spot. You're in here all the time. All right, I'm not going to guarantee no more spots. That's it. That's the only guaranteed spots into the race. So we got 4 people guaranteed. Woo. Let's see if we can hit that target before the news comes out. I'm not in it. I'm not taking it. I can be a spectator at the moment. I did not trade anymore after the stream. I wanted to last night. I almost placed a trade. I said, stop it, you idiot. You're going to be up really late tonight. So. Because it ain't your level. I appreciate that, A Patriots. Especially right now. YouTube's not liking me at the moment. Not liking me at the moment. I'm back in the Not Cool Kids Club with YouTube. So we got about 7 minutes. Guaranteed in race. Hey man, no, I usually pick you. Just I don't want to. Otherwise, we're gonna have the whole chat guaranteed in the race. And Nightbot's not gonna even have enough, or the duck race isn't gonna even have enough spots to put everybody. Let's see. Are we gonna get it? 241. Of course, we're gonna get there because I'm not in the trade. Of course. Easy peasy, straight line up there. No heat because I don't take the trade. Hey, not a problem, D charts. The names that I see in here on a regular basis, I do try to get you guys in here into the race. Now it's up to you to train your duck properly. -6 points worth in fees. -6 points. Yeah, see, that just doesn't make sense to me. Like, why would you want to do that? Unless you're looking, you have to be looking for really big moves to make that, worth it. That's definitely not going to be a scalper's go-to product. Because you're already running a 6-point deficit. So. Hey, slice of yard of Zard. Slice of yard. Oh, boy. So we do have the Dow up. Dow's only one of the 4 indices in the green, up 80. SP's down 1. NASDAQ's down 47. Russell's down 0.9. Probably not before. We do all the testing afterwards. So get your hopes up that you won, and then, oh, you failed the test. So, all right, short term coming in to be an overbought. Let's go check on one last time before the news comes out. NVIDIA is flat. Yeah, Microsoft and Tesla, the only 2 in the red. I want to see if the chips try to come back. Let's go see NVIDIA and stuff real quick. EVDA. AS. Oh, there we go. AMD. AMD's trying to get a little lift. Intel, SMH. Yeah, SMH down 0.18. Heat map dark theme. I have the whole trading view on dark theme. I have the whole trading view on dark theme. So. So less than 3 minutes. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. Now, I did add last night the bar countdown timer over here. I did fix that stupid chart after the stream, a 5-minute chart. Somehow I must have grabbed this and moved the whole scale over there, but all the indicators scaling. So I had to change each indicator scaling along with the chart to the back to the right side. Gosh, that was a pain in the butt. So we can now see how many seconds left before the bar ends, which I had it up over here, but sometimes I had stuff blocking it. So help with Guru. Big fan, sir. Follow everywhere. I mean, if that's true, I appreciate it. Oh, we did get a 9 count here, and look, we did smash that ABC target. Why? Because I didn't take it. Look, straight there, no heat. Isn't that kind of funny how the market does that? We don't take the trade, and that's the trades that you take no heat on, just goes right to where you think it's going. Man, that's dirty. Dirty, 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 dirty. Yeah, it might. Now, I'm not shorting before the news. I want to see what the news is first. I don't want to take a trade either way. I'm good. So, Wednesday. Let's go look. We got 1:14 seconds. A lot of buying before the news. So I'm just going to wait. Or even wait. Maybe they're just pumping it up so they can dump it down. Or maybe it's going to be a face ripper to the upside. Ooh, the ES just... Oh, let's see something real quick. NASDAQ's session high is still a little bit higher. What about ES? Yeah, ES just made new session highs right there. ES made new session highs. So let's see, 30 seconds. I still remember. Hey, here's a funny story. So at work trading, I told my friend, I go, hey, we got news. I think it's the FOMC actually. FOMC or NFP. I can't remember. It's either NFP or FOMC. Hey, we only got a few seconds. He's running over. I said, you're not going to get in trade. He goes, bam. I was like, oh, man, I'm already getting smoked. I don't know why you're getting that. Literally right against both of us. I was already getting smoked in it. All right, let's see what. All right, durable good orders. 1.1 came in better than expected. Ooh, get smacked down here a little bit. Durable good orders 0.4 versus 0.6. Yeah. It smacked it down a little bit. Let's see. PCE came in at 0.2, right in line with expectations. Preliminary GDP in line with expectations. Let's see this last one. To be honest with you, it doesn't look all that bad. Durable goods. That one's a little bit of a miss right there. Personal income, a little bit higher. That could lead to a little bit more inflation. And personal spending is up a little bit from forecast. All right, let's go see. Did that affect the dollar index at all? Yeah, dollar index on the move up. Which I don't really see gold moving off that, though. Yeah, gold's going down a little bit. 10 years on the move up. That could be a problem. And are we going to just come right back down? Look at the ES. We got VWAP right there. Coming on down. All right, short term, we came into being oversold. Think about taking a little swing here. Held short through that. Work out in your favor. That's a pretty good smackdown. Whoa, that was a late button push. Come on, cancel that. Oh, man. All right, that one didn't work out for me. That's a pretty good little smack down here. ES is just below VWAP, where NASDAQ is not. ES is just barely below VWAP. NASDAQ went substantially below it. Well, let's see if we get a little retracement back up. We're way below that lower regression channel. Let's see if we can pop up towards it. Don't forget, guys and gals, smash that lucky like button. See if we can get 100 likes in here. They're trying to flip the EMAs back bullish. Not there yet. Now, barring any headlines, all we have left is Barkin and crude oil inventory numbers, which crude oil inventory numbers shouldn't really sway our markets too much unless you're trading crude oil, but come on. Push on up. Look, I like this zone right here. Right in that zone. See if we can get back in that zone. Lower portion of that zone is going to be 186. Yes, like I'm not bouncing much. But yes, didn't go down as much. It did go down. It tried to get into 7,700 and said, nope. I'm having a hard time getting into my zone up here. Come on. We'll probably kill the trade before it gets to my target if we get in that zone. So, how's it going? First trade was a loss. Second trade still to be determined. So, first one out of the gate, loss. Just like the way we like to start the day off, right? With a big fat L. I was hoping for just a little bit more. Screw it. I'm getting out. I'm not going to let it come all the way back on me. That sucks. I was up there too. Up here would have been enough to make up for it, plus plenty of extra. And now we're going to go right back up there. That's all right. Four-footed. Hey, what's up? All right, ES is trying to break down through that little low after the news. You know what's funny on that push down on the ES, the delta wasn't all that strong. It's looking awful. I don't know about awful, but we do have NVIDIA coming out after the bell, so let's see what that did to the heat map this morning. NVIDIA's up. Meta's getting a little bit stronger there too. Yeah, AJ Loves, what's up? Good morning. Lucky like button smacked. Let's go. I still like it down here. All right, let's see. See if we can get a little tiny little bounce. We're still way below that regression channel. Now trade detector bubble shows up after I'm already friggin' in it, but that's fine. Better now than never. smacked it down pretty good. Another neutral gear. Working on bar 8 on the ES on the 1 minute. Who am I stopping the money just in case? I want to go for a bigger move, but just in case, I don't want to give it all back. I'm already down for the session after the first trade. Got a little bit of it back after trade 2, but actually, let's not be a fool here. Let's not be a fool. All right, let me get back to session highs, which I'm at now, and then I'll look for a bigger move. Let's not try to get a bigger move while I'm off session highs. That's not smart. Come on, Mike. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Let's not, because the deeper that hole gets, the worse it gets. So now if I want to go for a move like that, if I want to go for the bigger move, I'm free to do so. Because the stop loss at break even or slightly in the money, it'll still push the needle up a little bit. Where if I'm trying to play catch up, which we shouldn't trade the P&L, but hey, we're all probably guilty of it. If not, most of us are. I know I am, so I know not to do it. I still do it. I try not to, but I'm not perfect. All right, we do got a 9 count on both the NASDAQ and the S&P. So I know no one likes to lose, right? We don't want to lose anything. I gotta get it back. So, you know what I'm gonna do though? Yeah, I just put 1 micro on. Say, hey, let's not be an idiot here. I'm gonna put 1 micro on and see if I can get a bigger move. This will be a DCA style trade. This will be a DCA style trade. Let's go look real quick. We're at 169. I want to see where this turns. I might even, if we can get a turn somewhere in this area, then what I'm going to try to play out is going to be a push to about 330-ish. I'm going to try to play it for a push all the way back to about 330. We got to see where this turns, though. If this goes down too far, that's going to change my plan. It's going to morph into a different style trade, but I don't want to see it go below 137. Below 137, that invalidates any type of ABC pattern I'm looking for me. Hey, Paul, see you tonight. I know. Hey, Tom, I'm the same way. Like, I could be up $10,000 on the day. If I lose 20 bucks, my mind's like, hey, you're down 20 bucks. Not, hey, you're up $9,980. It's like, I'm down 20 bucks. This is dumb. Yeah. It's just hard. I mean, I can deal with red days. I don't like them. I don't like them. Nobody does. And the smaller red days are much better. I already had 1 red day this week. That was Monday. So really don't want 2. I mean, Tuesday was a good day. Because Monday was a small red day, basically due to commissions. Tuesday was a larger day than I normally have on my up days. So it kind of offsets it a little bit. Today, well, we don't know yet. Yeah, it's kind of weird though. Even though we know it's not in our best interest sometimes. All right, let's do the poll. Let me put the poll up real quick. I'll see what you guys think. Pop or drop at the open, which we'll be gauging that by the first 1 minute candle. Will it be green, or in my case, blue, or will it be red? We don't know yet. I don't have a target for the day. I don't say, ooh, this is my target. I don't have a target. If I do, I don't know, man. I don't like it. It usually ends poorly for me because then I'm focused on the outcome, not just taking the trades in front of me. Which happens, which is the same thing, same trap I fall victim to if I get down for the day. Then I start putting a target. I just want to get back to where I was, or at least close. I can be a few dollars off, but like last night, I don't know. The high water mark was 600 and something. I closed up 620. So. Yeah, hey, that's good though. As long as you have positive expectancy, that's all that matters. GC short? I mean, longer term, I do like gold short. When I say longer term, days, not years, but no, we're trying to rip up here a little bit. There we go. We get right in the zone. This is where I was looking to target. So we got into the zone. I was looking at target. Let me remove that real quick. Let's get it off. Hey Rick, I got back up to 620, but shame on me. If I would have held the trade all the way till 180 or even 200, like I said I was going to, instead of bailing at 160, I would have been at session highs. But is what it is. Is what it is. Says Ukraine President Zelensky, Ukraine is now in contacts with the U.S. discussing ways to achieve peace. Yeah, it was good to get it back. It was. And then it accelerated up after I got out. That's the part that I was not too thrilled about, but it happens. All part of the game. Hey, Raphael, I was gonna move it to 200. That's where I really wanted it. When I really originally put the trade on, I wanted 200, but we did have two different levels at 180 ish. And I was like, I'll just leave it here. When we get up there, I'll move it up. But then it took so long to get there. I was like, it's kind of hesitating before we get there. I'm like, I get a good chunk of it back. Let me just take it. I took it off. So I think I made $1,100 ish on that trade. One contract. And that's what I was worried about. Hey, Rick, so I was worried it was going to come all the way back down. And my chance to get a big slice of that when I was down back was going to disappear. And that's why I decided to exit. So, just things to watch it afterwards, but oh well. Hey, Apple, good morning. I'm trying to go back down. Now, here's the real question. Are we going to go back and revisit last night's lows? We might. Was this nothing more than a big trap? Last night we pushed up, consolidation. This morning they spiked it up, trap it. Now they're going to send it down. It's like, hey, Raphael, I don't trust myself. And you said last night we still didn't hit your target. We didn't hit that 383 yet. Or 380 something. I'm curious. What is Nvidia doing? It is down 0.19. Oh, did you guys see that last chart I just had up? 10-year on the move. That's not good for the markets. 10-year going back up will not be good. Yeah, let's see how we finish out. Maybe we just start off weak and then we head up. We'll see. Repeat says, according to my big fall indicator, we are going to new lows. And at least hit the 2.51 standard deviation. Ugh. Hey, repeat. Maybe you mean 2.5 standard deviation to the upside. Maybe your indicator is getting reverse signals today. I mean, I'm good. I am in a micro long, but and depending on where this NASDAQ turns, if it does, I may push it to 360, maybe 330, 330-ish. Hey, bro, what's up? Natty Nate, what's up? What's up? I'm doing all right. I'm back at session highs. Struggled trading last night a little bit. Hey, Scoot. Good morning. Yeah, it might have been a bear trap up there. Or did they run it down? Is it going to be a double trap? Do we got the double trap? They trap them up here. And now they're going to trap them down there and send it back up. Maybe. So Take Profit Trader, I just seen the little thing come up. 40% off. 0 activation fee. Still 3-day to pass. So. Yeah, half of. Nice. Double bottom at 150. Yeah, I see it right here. Hey, so where did this double bottom target, where does that play out at? Let's see. Looks like about 226. Play range until it breaks. Rick probably has a better idea. Play the range until it breaks. It's the problem I have with looking for reversals in the market. I'm always looking for where it's going to be. And I was like, we hit so many times, I'm going to get, I feel like when I take the trade, it's going to run me over. Come on, let's just get up there. Get it. Get it. About live account on TBT. What do you want to know about the live account? Like what specifically? Hey, Roach, good morning. Yeah, Sal says, don't forget to hit the like button, something. Hey, learn the hard way. What's up? Hey, I'm green. I went red to green. Well, no, I went red to green from this morning. I didn't go red. Like last night. Last night was red. I don't want to take a swing at this. Oh, man. Get the yawns today. Thanks for everybody that smashed that like button. We got 101 likes before the opening bell. Don't forget, you guys can vote. Pop or drop at the open. What's it going to be? Is it going to pop it? Is it going to drop it? If we can break this neckline right here, we have a double bottom target, 226. Lucid direct accounts. Well, I mean, now with the Lucid daily account, you know, I don't know. You're paying a lot of money just to skip the evaluation. In the Lucid daily account, you can get to a payout quicker. Yeah, I haven't seen the spam bots in a few days now, Sods. I guess forever doesn't really mean forever. Let's go look at. Let's see if gold's moving this morning. They're definitely bringing this market right back down here at the moment. Gold, we got a lot of wicks down here in gold. So are we gonna break this or are we gonna run back up? That's a good plan, Tom. The only downside is you don't have a whole lot of drawdown. $1,000 isn't a big rope. So you need to make sure you take A+. No, hey, Rick, I don't think I did. I was out in the E-foil yesterday afternoon, though. Let me go check. I don't remember seeing an email from you. No, hey, Rick, I don't see anything. No, I don't see anything from you. All right, we did break that little low right there on the NAS. I didn't see it. That's all I was looking at. I didn't see it. Log in. Let me check it. Make sure it didn't. Think about taking a crack at this. Come on. No, hey, Rick, I don't see it. No, I didn't get it. I don't know what happened. Never got it. Maybe something's jacked up. I don't know. I never got it though. I just double checked. Oh, I sent it to Gmail as well. All right, let's see. Oh, you know what? Hey, I did see it, but I did not realize it was you. And I thought it was a marketing thing. I just deleted it. I didn't read it. The name looked like some marketing thing that keeps sending me junk. Now that I just seen your name, I deleted it yesterday. I never even opened it. So, hey, Smooth Operator, what's up? All right, I'll check that out. That's well, the other one is deleted. It's gone. It might be in the trash. I don't know. It might be in the trash. I don't know if I emptied the trash or not. Thank you, dropping Lou. We got Nvidia out with earnings after the bell. So after 4 o'clock, it could be a big one. Today maybe finally be a trend day. Hey, Paul, you thinking trend up, or trend down? We got this trade. We'll look at the GEX levels, Paul. Trying to get a little bit here. Yesterday, pre-market was not good to me. Right now, I'm up in pre-market, knock on wood. If we can make it all the way up there. I'll just be happy. Continuation without chop. All right, I'm taking it. Taking it. Ooh, I like it. Nice round number. All right, let's go look at the gamma levels real quick. Let's go looky. What do we got here? All right, we're going to look at NQ first. So 29,300. We have that gamma wall. That's why we have a hard time getting past it. So I get up there, boom, smack it back down. Right here, I put support right now. So the gamma wall is at 29,300, but the 1 day max is all the way up here at 29,621. The 1 day minimum is at 953. We have GEX 1 at 29,000. You know, we might go down there and hit that GEX 1, but 29.8, we have quite a bit of gamma. 29,100. I like the 100 area as well. But we're trying to run up towards that gamma wall. We never got there. 7,700. Fell short here a little bit. 7,650 is GEX 1. And 1 day max, 7,750. 1 day minimum, 76.31. It's going to be 0.50. You got to round up. It's for the ES right here, Sods. So 7,700. If we can get above 7,700, we have the potential for a decent, really good move up. If we can get above it. That's a big if. GEX 1 is going to be the higher gamma exposure. So GEX 2 will be the next, GEX 3, so on and so forth within this range. So that GEX 1 usually acts as a magnet as well. But to the downside, we really got to watch 650. What was the low last night? I wonder. And to the upside, if we can break above this, let's actually go look at something real quick. Gamma wall and call resistance. Let's see something real quick. If we break that, what should we expect? 87% of the time it holds. But when it breaks, we go up about 24 points above it. I guess where 24 points above that level is. 24 points above 7,700. One of the levels we've been talking about. If you look right here. Right? That untested point of control off the weekly. 77.25. So if we can break 77, it should take us in this area right around that untested point of control, but we got to get above it first. We got to make another 20 points higher to even challenge that level. So if we can get above it, 24-25 area is going to be a target I will want to focus on. All four of our indices are in the red at the moment. So micro is in the red also, down $20. Isn't nothing in the scheme of things. I'm looking for a bigger move than that. Only got one contract on it at the moment. I do plan to add more. So interesting. If we look at the gamma charts on the NQ, oops. Let's go look here. Where's the gamma levels? Then we'll look at the NQ. We still have an untested point of control on the NQ also above us, but I don't think we're in the camp where we'll hit that today. So if we get above this call resistance up here, so we get above 300. Let's go look real quick. So on average, when we break that, we go up another 161 points. 161 points. So if we do break 300, expect 460s. And if we get that close, we'll probably go all the way up to 500, or a little bit closer to 500 at that point. But 460s, and let's go see what that looks like on the volume profile chart. What do we have looking like on there? It gets us back into this little kind of a minus development area. I like it a little bit higher up, actually. Right around 5, just shy of 500. 495, which is just shy of that GEX 2 level. Low volume node of the last week's profile. So I do like that area. What about 30 minute? If we can get above 203, we get above 203, which is yesterday's value area low. Let's see if we can get a quick little flush to 224. Then above that, I'd look at about 265, 319, and then up here towards 392 to 426, and then 460-ish. It doesn't mean I'm right. Now, to the downside, though, since we are below 203, there is a threat. We come back and we challenge these lows from last night. And if we break that, we still have this pattern in play. So there still is a bearish pattern in play. All the way down to 28,982. $28,950. At 950 puts it very close towards that ABC pattern I just drew out. And that could, if we break this low here, if we break the lows from last night, this will be a target I will want to focus on. So we will see. Now, if we just do a quick little spike through that zone and we come right back up, that changes a little bit. Then I look for us to come back into this range up here. But we break that low and we're staying below it. Probably going to try to make our way down here. We've had a 213 point range. The average range right now is 409. So. And look, we could come all the way down here and still be within an average range. Jeez. What's the average range look like to the upside? Let's do a quickie little measure. The upside, if we hit 409 without taking out the lows, that put us up at over 500. So we'll see how it all shakes out. Again, one trade at a time. That's it. I don't remember doing it last time, but yeah, in the past, I've seen it happen quite often. I think last time I was looking for that and it was kind of a dud. Yeah, Meta's been up pretty good in here in pre-market. Yeah, wow, it's ripping now. Wow, Meta's up 4.9%. It was up like 2% last time I looked. Jeez. And the NASDAQ still is not really getting it. SMH not really doing all that great. RSP. RSP is down 0.08, while the SPY is down 0.15. Let's look at VWAP real quick. Not quite there, but gold may be a little bit of a buy for a scalp somewhere in the zone. I would still feel better shorting gold, but no, I've heard rumors about it, but I haven't heard anything else about it. Bitcoin down 360. Oil's been slowly grinding up here. Now it's starting to accelerate here a little bit. Try and get up here into those VWAP bands. VIX up 24 cents. So I don't know. I don't mind just taking the eval. I've done good with the Tradeify Lightning accounts in the past, but you're paying a whole lot of money. So when you blow up, you know, they're usually gonna be a lot more expensive. I don't want to blindly buy the ES, but maybe. I mean, remember, we started breaking these lows. We still have a target down here at 76.25 on the ES. And maybe the ES is going to come back and challenge the lows from last night. It's looking more and more like that's going to be the probability. Oh, that's funny, Mongo. So I guess you guys really like the Lucky 13. Yep. Hey, you're right on that. And that's what I was thinking. I was like, I'll try and protect my mental on that last one by just saying, F it, take it. I really want to go for a bigger move, but you know, that could cause the spiral even worse. Now that I'm back at equity highs, if I see a setup, I can go for a bigger move and not feel like I really need to take that profit to get back to high water mark. So we have about 20 minutes until the market opens. Don't forget, it's not too late to smash the like button. Never too late. Just boop, 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 boop. So holding the short. That's always great. I love that. He had 50K accounts. I don't know what he has right now. Did he go to work early this morning? Don't put Mongo in the race. Next time they put pick 13. Hey, so my one micro trade that I have on is down $60. So let's see. I'm gonna be looking for ad points, but I'm gonna wait till after the opening bell. At least I hope. That's the game plan. But looking for it. Hey, String Bean, good morning. Yeah, we still got some room to the downside. So just for a little pop, get everybody excited. Woohoo! We're going back to all-time highs and then pull a rug again. That's what I've been hoping for, but yeah, 2 to 5 micros and a 50K. Hey, Raj, if you're going to trade a 25K account, how many micros would you trade? Hey, Kuwaiti, good morning. Let's see. Can we get 1 to 3? Can you guys push the like counter up? Up. All the way up to 200 likes before the opening bell. Please and thank you. We only need about another 63 likes. We have over 250 people in here, so I think that's reasonable. I don't think you guys will get us there, but let's make that a goal. See if we can do it. Yeah, that's what I was thinking, Raj. 1 to 2. You trade between 3 and 5 micros? Wow. I think it's a little bit too much myself, but I want to give myself the most amount of opportunities to be wrong and still not blow the account up. I will say that this little micro trade is trying to get green on me. It's trying to get green. I think I lowered my target down a little bit on that. My mental target, I think I'm going to try to target somewhere closer to 300. But hey, if we get a big ripper up, that could change. We got about 15 minutes until the opening bell. Don't forget to vote, pop, or drop. The 2 things I asked: vote, pop, or drop, and don't forget to smash that like button. And make sure you have your duck trained up for the duck race today. We're giving away 2 Lucid accounts. Yep. Instant gratification usually ends well. Hey, that's pretty funny, Sods. Yeah, I do appreciate that, Sods. Pump the Ponzi again. The news wasn't bad. It wasn't overwhelmingly great. There's a couple of negative parts. We got a lot of news out this morning. So PCE came in line with expectations, a little bit higher than previously. GDP came right in line with expectations. Preliminary GDP price, a little bit better than expected. But the core durable good orders, not so good. Durable good orders did do better. Personal income and personal spending, I think, is a little bit of a problematic. Because more income could lead to more inflation. We got people spending a little bit more than what they forecasted, but less than before. So not overly good or bad, really. So now last night, the funny part last night, so you see how the regression channel is pretty steep right now. Last night I could save myself a lot of headache. If we go last night when we were zinging down right down here, that regression channel just sloping all the way down. If I would have just waited until it started to flatline here and then start to point up, boy, oh boy, that would have been so easy. We were talking about that last night on stream, so I think that's going to be my MO this morning. If I want to be buy side, I'm gonna wait till this, at least it's not as steep as it is right now. Get a chance to level out here just a bit. Oh man. Yeah, I hope that I think I hit my high water mark for a day in evals last week. And I still have no funded accounts at the moment. I'm on the build back path. So unfortunate. Yeah, I'm doing good with the new evals. I don't want to jinx it, but yeah, build back better. Build back more gooder. The same account from 225. All right. Good for you. My TPT accounts I had for 180 something trading days. Not calendar days, trading days. Oh, so which account do you have that you've had since 2025? And do you trade it every day? Hey, Brian, what's up? Yeah. Hey, JD, I've been there. Hey, that's a good question. You get them free sometimes. My swing account from. Oh, so you've blown accounts. You just have free accounts. Well, hey, so the accounts that prop firms give me, instead of me using them, I give them to you guys. Like I could use them myself on some of them and trade them, but I give them out to you guys. So I got the credit card statement to prove it. So if we look, so I could be like, nah, I'm gonna use them for myself. Well, it's not gonna do as many giveaways. Oh, you can see the. Okay. Oh, can you actually see the balance? Let me zoom that up a little bit. Look, you can see the total that day I spent $4,911.10. See, whoop! You can see all the prop accounts I was buying. So. You don't want to get emotionally attached. Read Roger's comment. 4911. Oh. All right, I'm going to go ahead and close out the poll here in about 2 minutes. 2 minutes to vote. And can you guys get us to the goal? Make you guys a deal, maybe. If we can get the 200 likes before the opening bell, I might have another Lucid account to give away. Let me check. Might do 3 giveaways instead of 2. You guys can get us the 200 likes before the opening bell, before 9:30. Let's see. What's today? Wednesday? Black or red on NVIDIA. Hey, if you're going to play black or red, I mean, you can do options, but remember too that, you know, you think you're guaranteed to win, but there's a lot of premium built into that a lot of times. Let's see. Can we get this little ABC pattern up? We break the B point right here on the NASDAQ without going lower. The target would be 193. If we go a little bit lower before breaking the B point, we'll have to drag this down a little bit. But for the time being, if we do break it, 193, 194. All right, I'm going to go ahead and shut down the poll. And it looks like overwhelmingly the poll is saying we's going to pop. I mean, I have a love-hate relationship with a DLL. I hate when I'm locked out for the day, but I can't tell you how many times I've hit the DLL in a prop account and then went on to pass it or went on to get a payout because of it. Because I couldn't blow the whole account in one day. So, you know, I have a love and hate relationship with it. So it's frustrating getting shut down, but you know, sometimes we got to protect ourselves from ourselves. That's a good way to do it. So we'll bring over the market on open orders here in just a few. Let's see what that first 1 minute candle is going to bring. I'm still long that one micro, down 20 bucks. Yeah, hey, Tom, it forces you. It's not like, well, maybe I'll just stop trading for the day. I was looking like some of you don't want to do three account giveaways today. Shame. So, let's see. Are we gonna hit it? 194. 194 would be the target. I'm not gonna take it this close to the opening bell, but let's go look at the market on open orders real quick. Where's we sitting at? So we got about 4.5 minutes almost till the market opens. S&P 60 million sell side. NASDAQ 30 million buy side. I haven't seen it move yet. Dow 59 million sell side. I don't know if the NASDAQ's, oh, there. NASDAQ moved down a little bit. 16 million buy side. I was like, I don't think NASDAQ's moving. So. Because we want to hit the love button. Oh boy. Oh, a quick little burst up and boop. We never took out the B point. It looked like we are going to take out the B point. We did not. So, hey, if we do take out the B point, if we rip right back up, invalidation point would be 153, assuming we don't go lower first. So we'll keep monitoring this pattern. If we go lower, I will push that down a little bit. I gotta retrain my eyes to look for the bar countdown timer right here. This tells us how many seconds till the candle closes. So I have a tight range. 27-point range on the S&P. We're closer to the lower end of it. NASDAQ 213-point range. S&P just really, if you look at the S&P on the 30-minute, just a bunch of choppiness all the way from yesterday afternoon. Just chop. We got a little push down, a little push up, but it's still just kind of in this zone. So let's watch. See, can we break the B point? Can we get it? Volume's very low. Usually lower volume favors the bulls in the market. More times than not. See if we get any opening range trades. Now look, the regression channel is trying to flatten out here a little bit. The longer we stay in the upper portion of it, the flatter it will become and then maybe start rallying up, and that would favor the little push back up. Which, let's do a fib retracement as well. Moment. 38% retracement is right around 182. 50% is at 198, which is about 4 points higher than that ABC target. We still have not validated the pattern yet. Still not a valid pattern. We're getting close to validating it. And we're going to see at the open as we go, bloop, fail it, and then come down or act it. Verify the pattern, validate the pattern, and then come right back down before hitting the target. I don't know how I feel about the target being validated with the opening candle. My one micro was just up $1.50. Should have took it. Should have took my $1.50. But did not. All right, we got 45 seconds until the opening bell. Hey, Neo, good luck. So it does look like we's gonna open here in about almost 10 seconds. And we are not gonna get the 200 light counter. We got like 5 seconds. It looks like today will only be 2 Lucid account giveaways. All right, ding, 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 ding. There goes opening bell. Hey, ABC target hit. Look, validated the pattern as we broke. Clean shot right to the target. Now, obviously, I didn't take it. I'm not going to jump in that right before the opening bell, but it did hit target. It got right back to VWAP. What's the ES doing? ES trying to go up a little bit. So I'm going to try to ride the micro trade that I have on from earlier in the stream to about 300. We'll see when we get to 300, if we do. Might push it up a little bit higher, but at least my initial target, I'm looking for around 300 on that micro. That's the trade from this morning earlier. So. Hey, Apex had a new sale out too. I don't know if you guys saw it. Special activation price on all their PA accounts. Some cheap all-in pricing on some of those accounts. And they brought back some of the legacy accounts. That's a pretty good little ripping candle there. Wow. I feel like the NASDAQ's having the biggest rip at the open compared to the ES. ES is like, eh. NASDAQ's getting it. All 4 indices still in the red. NASDAQ shot up pretty good. Looking for about 300 on that trade, but 300 for the price point. But if we go straight there, I don't know. We're working on bar 8 right now. Let's look at the 5-minute chart. Blew all the way through that FEG, no reaction. We have a little bit more of an FEG hanging out up here. We didn't completely get through. 284. There goes the ES trying to participate. Now, we're going to get my 300 really quick. I think as straight as that went, we're going to be bar 9. I'm going to kill it early. I know I said 300, but a straight leg move like that, we're going to be susceptible to a pullback. I don't want to sit through the pullback. So I killed the micro trade, roughly $200. We'll call it a 100-point trade. So 100-point trade on the MNQ. Let's go. Let's get it. I'd sit in it for probably an hour-ish. Actually, let's see how long I did sit in it. I'm happy I got out. So there's the trade right there. Sat in it for a hot minute. Put it on while we were on stream earlier. So ES came right back to the VWAP. Oh, what am I looking at? Why does it look so much different? Ew, I forgot to change that. No, we're above the VWAP. All right. All right. Right up here is the first deviation band. All right, we did get the 9 count up here. That's what kind of scared me. So a big straight leg move, and we're getting close to the 9 count. That's why I wanted to exit it. Kind of happy I got off that micro now. Got out early. Feeling better about it. All 4 indices still in the red. Let's look at gold real quick. What's we doing about gold? Yeah, tagged into the bands and trying to get bounce up. Interesting. All right, we have Nvidia in the red, Apple red, Google red, SpaceX red, Tesla red, Amazon red. So we have Microsoft and Meta, 22 Mag 7s in the green. We got WDC, STX up. Let's go look at the SPY versus RSP real quick. All right, SPY's down 0.2. SPY's down 0.05%. And the RSP is flat. Had a gap down. Whoop, came right up, filled the gap. Let's see, diamonds. Diamonds a little bit lower. IWM. IWM had a pretty good gap down. Is that because the dollar's going up? Dollar is going up. Hey, Peter S. Good morning. Yeah, I saw it in gold. I seen it after the fact, Raj. I didn't see it before, where I could take advantage of it, but that's a pretty good smack. I had a pretty good exit on that micro. Pretty good exit. Glad I got out. Because now I can always get back in if I still like it. Which I might get back in around this VWAP and look to restart the DCA all over. I might. I don't know yet. But yes, getting smacked down pretty good right now too. All right, I put one micro back on. Trade detector bubble down here near VWAP. Will be a DCA style trade. Only one micro for me. See if I can take this up closer to 330-ish, maybe. This is my initial plan. I do need to double check something real quick. Let's just do a couple of numbers. All right, still gonna be valid. And maybe around 319. 319 is where the ABC pattern completes and its value area high from the prior day. So that micro trade, I'm going to try to get out somewhere around there. Around 318-ish, 319. So keep an eye on it. Pretty good though. I like the trade detector bubble showed up right there at the VWAP. So I likes it. I likes it a lot. Got your 20 in Q. Nice. Good deal, Raj. All the overseas market, oh, they were up. Let's go see. I don't know if they still, I don't know how the DAX and everything's still holding up. Yeah, all the overseas markets were either up or still up at the moment. Come on, I need you to break it, break it. On the 1 minute, this could be another larger ABC pattern. Could be. And that target would be about 330. That was my initial target earlier. We got to break above that swing point, though. Not sure I had it wrong. There we go. So 329 to 330. We got to break above this swing point here. If we can't get above it, no good on the pattern. Yes, still trying to push up as well. Then we get back to opening price. Oh yeah, I forgot to check it. What was the pop? What was the pop? I think it was it was a pop. The pops won, and overwhelmingly, the poll was bullish. So the majority did get it right. Majority did get it right. So, all right, Dow's up. Hey, Dow is coming back. Dow's going up and NASDAQ trying to come down. Let's go look at diamonds real quick. Diamonds on the push up. Let's look at YM. Futures markets. Nice, big, strong push up. I think we're going to try to bust up and go higher. Hey, Jesse, what's up? What's up? Hey, Jesse, any trades this morning? What's the dealio? You making the millions? Oil's popping. Yeah, oil's going up here a little bit too, which is kind of funny. Oil's going up and our markets are going up. Hey, what's up? Good morning. Adam, good morning. Chris, don't forget, guys and gals, smash that lucky like button. Are we gonna push? I still got that micro. I'm trying to take the micro to about 319-ish. 319 on the micro I'm looking for. Again, bought it as we came down towards the VWAP. And you look right here on the NQ, we had that trade detector bubble show up right there by the VWAP. So come on. Come on. You can do it. Hey, Zach, good morning. You got that. Push it, push it. Trump said we can get by without Canada. It was at 927. Trump on Canada. They don't have anything that we have to have. Prices coming down. A lot of oil is pouring out of the Strait of Hormuz. The Strait of Hormuz is functioning. So Trump says the Straits of Hormuz is functioning. Iran says it's never going to open. Oh boy. Funny, funny, funny. Mickey has 51st state. Hey, real estate. So in all reality, how many Canadians would really want that? In all reality, you think a lot of them would be for it or against it? Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I was going to say, because when you said just make us the 51st state and convert our dollar, I was like, yeah. I haven't heard any other Canadians say anything positive about that statement Trump made. 51st state. Oh boy. Come on, push on up. Again, we still got the target in play. All we got to do is break this high, and 329 becomes a viable target. That'll be a target for the ABC pattern. Lake of America. Hey, legacy accounts are back 90% off. Wow, the market liked me saying that. They like the Apex sale. Hey, we got to be careful though. Look, even though I got my target up here for the micro, we're coming into the VWAP bands. We have the ABC target. So I said I want to kill that trade around 18 or 19, which will be in front of that ABC target. So that is a viable target. That's a valid pattern, as we did break the B point. All right, right here was the A to B leg. Down here is the B to C. And then we projected up here for D completion. So this will be my second 100-point trade on the NASDAQ today. That's a banger. Only downside, I only had one contract. Oh, that's funny how that always works. And we got the ES trying to take out session highs as we speak too. ES came right there with a trade detector bubble. Not a fan of that. NASDAQ got a trade detector bubble as well. Keep in mind, we do have the VWAP band, so this is an area where we could see a little bit of a pullback back down. So if you guys haven't yet, boop that lucky like button. Let's help me defeat the YouTube algorithm. They're not being friendly with me. No, it's a micro. One micro, not a mini. I'd be woohoo! If it was a mini, I'd be out here doing backflips. I just do backflip, backflip, backflip. The rest of the stream. Non-stop standing still backflip. And I don't think I can do a backflip. I'd be that excited where I'd be willing to do it. Hey, so look on the ES. Let's go see. Did we clear that level yet? We cleared 7,700. We have a path all the way up to 7,724 to 25. We talked about as we were looking at the gamma structures or the gamma levels earlier. Let's see. Are we going to get it? NASDAQ new session highs. We hit 16. I said I want 18, 19-ish. Come on. Let's get it. 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 Push it. Push it. Please. Pretty please. With sugar on top. Again, this is the problem I was worried about coming up in the VWAP bands. I think the ES made it all the way to the upper VWAP band with trade detector bubbles. Yikes. Although we get a little reaction back down on the ES. NASDAQ's having a little bit of a coming back, retesting the structural breakout point. Over the sharks. Oh boy. Yeah, I didn't fall yesterday. Was it yesterday? Yeah. Yesterday, I didn't fall. No falls for me yesterday. And the water was a little bit choppier than I like it, but where I was out. Take it strong. Let's go look real quick. Let's go back and check the heat map. Google still down. So we got Nvidia is up now. Apple's up. Microsoft's up. Tesla's up. So we got 4 of the Mag 7 up. Hey, Lucky, what's up? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Oh, hey, Plum Trader. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget, you can always leave the stream on even when you're not home. Help me with the YouTube algorithm. Greatly appreciated. If not, that's cool too. No worries. All right, let's see. See, it's funny. CL's on the move up. CL's only down $1 now. And our markets are up here at session highs. Oh boy. Let's see. So we're having a hard time. We got a little reaction off these VWAP bands. ES got a little bit more of a reaction off that VWAP band, but still looking to push. I know I said 318, 319, but the longer we consolidate right here, it makes me want to maybe push my target up higher. Do I dare push it way up here? All right, all the way up here towards candle wick to candle body-ish up here. So 391. But we consolidate here for a while. I may look to hold past that ABC target. I don't know yet. There's something easy. We can do without Canada, medicines. So let's see. All right, ES is coming down here off the VWAP bands a little bit more now, a little bit more aggressively. Yeah, bonds back down. Let's go look at that yield. 10-year yield screaming up. That's not good. That's not good. So we got oil up, bonds up, and the market was up. Market's down here at the moment, but yeah, we've almost gotten back half of yesterday's down candle in the bond, 10-year yield. We are in greed on the fear and greed index. Man, maybe I should have shorted the ES right up there. ES went right back to that gamma wall. See if I have it up here. We can't really see it there. Yeah, if we go back over to... Gosh, so freaking annoying when it keeps logging me out. Gotta fix that. There we go. Look at the ES on the chart. Look at the right up here at GEX 1 level. Oh, hey, the gamma wall actually moved up a little bit. So they flip-flop. GEX 1 right now is at 7,700. So we have a lot more gamma being built out. But still, if we can break that 7,710, and then probably up there towards 20-ish or so. Let's see how it shakes out. Oh, you have to have a subscription. So I get them from Mythor Q, and they have a plugin that puts them on the Ninja. All right, there we go. Let's see. Are we going to push back up more? I thought about adding to my micro up here, but I'm not going to do it. I don't want to go through the the struggles I went through yesterday. So I'm going to wait. Where's that at? All right. Let's see if they can climb the wall of worry. We still have not hit our ABC target up here at 329. Still in play. The invalidation point will be 203. As long as we stay above 203, then 329 should be in the cards. Yes, trying to rise back up again. Having a hard time though. At 7,700, we have a lot of gamma to get through. And if we look over here on the ES on the Bookmap, we have 117 contracts right there. Not the biggest order I've ever seen, but enough to pay attention to. Then above that, I'll see a lot of resting orders. Let's see on the NASDAQ real quick. What do we have? NASDAQ's trying to squeeze up. Back to back. That's where squeeze them. They need to squeeze. So I see the ES popped that 7,700. ES popped 7,700. Potential all the way up to 24, 25. And that correlates very well with our weekly untested point of control at 77.25. So I likes it. This could be back-to-back 100-point trades on the NASDAQ. Come on, get on up there. Get on up there. Debating on moving my target up higher. I just don't like we had the VWAP bands right up here above us. So I take the more conservative target at the ABC pattern, or do I push it? Oh, we got first report cards coming in. Let's see. Again, there's a lot of great prop firm deals out there at the moment if you guys are trading prop accounts. Don't forget to use code Mike. All right, let's go see. Let's go see Dallas Steves. Man, he's killing it. One trade, $884. Nice. That's awesome. Hey, good job, Dollar Steve. Good. Come on, baby. We almost got our ABC target. Let's get it. Should I close it when we get up there or not? The $1 million question. I don't know. We're in the VWAP bands right here. We have a trade detector bubble right there as well. We look at the ES. ES is right, having a hard time too. That 7,700 is that gamma level. We're trying to break it. Woo, got it. We got the target. I'm gonna close it. Closed it. Done. Loving it. Now let's go look real quick. See if I can. Let's count it up. Here's the micros. 171 to 274. What? 103 points. 218 to 325. Over 100 points, back-to-back 100-point trades. Woo! Let's go. Loving it. Very low risk. The only thing I wish I had was more contracts. Oh, man. Gotta love it when the market participates with us. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. All in sync. Sure. All right. Let's see. Let's see. What's crazy is oil's going up, dollar's going up, yields going up, markets trying to come back up. The only one we have down right now is the Dow, which is kind of funny because the Dow was stronger earlier. Dow was popping a little bit earlier and it just kind of fizzled off. So I'm liking it. I likes it. Let's go see the heat map again real quick. SpaceX is up now. Nvidia is back down. Let's see. NVIDIA. NVDA. NVIDIA has earnings after the bell. Oh boy, what's it going to be? So I'm going to go ahead and remove the ABC pattern off here. We've already completed it. A little bit of danger though, trying to go long up here, being at the VWAP bands. So I'm going to hold off on any long trades at the moment. ES is still currently having a hard time sticking above that 7,700. We keep getting above it, boom, smack back down. So let's see if they can get this thing pushing or not. Push, 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 push. Push it. Push it real good. Oh boy, I'm gonna have that song in my head. Get that part of the song where you're like, wow. If you know what song I'm talking about, then it's stuck in my head now. Let's get it. Captain Chaos. Yeah. I don't know. I don't think he's going to like the fact that now they're colluding to collect those tolls. So we'll see how it all shakes out. So on Wappy, 4 minutes with a 40-point gain. Oh, that's awesome, Tom. Good job. Good deal. Good. I just wish the 100-point trades I had. Hey, imagine if those micro trades would have been minis. It would have been $4,000 plus. Still good. I'm happy right now. I'm not going through it yet. So. And I want to wait and see. I'm not really looking for the short up here. I don't know why. I just don't want to short it right yet. I want to really see if we're going to be able to stick above it. I do think we get a little pullback, but then do we build calls and really try to push? Really have a real good squeeze before it's all said and done. You know, do they get excited about Nvidia's earnings as the day progresses? Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. About to see a mountain. Oh, micros? Okay. I was like, wow, you're getting it, Tom. I was like, 4 minis, 40 points. That would be a banger too. That would be almost 4,000. Just shy. 3,200. ES had a 9 count right up here. NASDAQ does not. We're just hanging out up here. Notice we're not really getting much of a pullback yet. These little soldiers in the mountain. Dow's still down 1 point. Hey, so the whole range from overnight to now is 236 on the NASDAQ. On the ES, it's 31. Now, let's just go ahead and role play something out real quick. What if we make our average range? The average range is 409 points. Let's just see. What if? Jeez. 409 points is going to put us in the ballpark of about 507. Hey, what's going on? I didn't see my opening range plot. Did I not put it back on last night? When I saved the workspaces? Bet you I did it in one of the iterations. Trying to fix that stupid scaling. There we go. All right. So the midpoint for the opening range is going to be about 230. We start coming back down. Do I maybe fade that? Man, it goes against what I want to do. It goes against what I'm really hoping to do. We do have the Dow in the green now. How's the volatility? That's not crazy. It's actually on a little bit slower of a day. Type fail. Wish I just get something to just squeeze it way up. Just. She's not there yet. Not there yet. Look at this. Trying to tip me. We get below here. I'm not going to go all the way down to here with an NQ. I may be inclined to look for a little short, though. Yeah, and we're coming off the bands. Almost shorted it. Almost did it. My fingers tried to push down. I just couldn't push the button. I was trying. But I guess not trying hard enough. Congrats. We did get 200 likes. Let's go. Let's go. What was that? All right. We in the money? Some barcode on 10-year. Should have shorted it too. That would have been the good setup. We're working on bar number 7 right now. Look, ES having a hard time too, sticking above 7,700 where we have all that gamma at. They keep defending it for the time being. What a nice little pop, isn't it? GC. Yeah. Nice little wick and whoop, right back to VWAP. All right. Interesting. I find my AC. Opening price might be on our way back towards it. $288, is that right? Yeah, opening price right here, $288. I don't know, that book looks a little bit thin to the downside. A little bit thin. Be very easy to chew through that. Very, very easy. Technically, I had a buy set up. I'm not going to take it though. Let's see if I'm going to regret it. Do I regret it or not? Yep. Should have taken it. Should have taken it. But a little bit fearful. We're still below the opening range high. So. Hey, Raj, I feel like you mostly trade gold. I know you say you mostly trade NQ, but I feel like you trade gold quite a bit too. We come over and we look. Options flow is still kind of going up here at the moment. Zoom out in the 15. Let's look. Let's looky. Thank you. That's a lot of sideways action. Right back at the top of the range too. Right off the friggin' deviation bands. US getting smacked down a little bit off that 7,700 where we said we had that gamma. A lot of gamma at 7,700. They're defending it. Got just a little bit above it. Smack back down. Dow back down. Oh, back up. Dow keeps going green, red, green, red. We are below the regression channel. Do I dare look for a long? I don't know yet. I might. We'll see. That sucks. I talked about this too. Looking for that short down to the... God, it's going to go down there without me. How many points would that have been? Would that have been worthy of a micro? 71 points-ish. If it makes it down, if it makes it down there. Yeah, gold has some good moves, especially at night. You want another asset to trade or watch gold. It moves pretty decent, or has been. Has been for months. It's feeling froggy. Going against the orb. Going against the EMAs. Closed it. Closed it. I should have just waited. Trying to catch a little bounce. I was feeling bad that I missed the move down, so I was like, let me just go long. Raj was just talking about that last night. You son of a biscuit eater. It's gonna make it all the way down there. What's up, news? Prime Minister. Iran and Russia discuss cooperations in gas industry. Hey, good news. At least I didn't take a full loss on that loss I lost on, so this will probably get me for a full loss. Oh boy. Yeah, so we have the ES up and the Russell up. Everything else down. Got a feeling this way I'm going to derail myself. Come on, a little bit more. A lot more. I close it. I don't want to come all the way back. I think that still put me at session highs after that. I think I'm back to session highs. So series of 3 trades, 2 losses, 1 win. So yeah, it's almost 10:15. So hey, did we put in the little high and that's it? Hey, is the high in for the day? The $1 million question. Might be. I mean, that's what the market does. Take as much money from as many people in the shortest time possible. That is the function of the markets. Hey, Smushy, what's up? Good morning. If you guys haven't yet, don't forget to boop that lucky like button. Time to take a nap to NVIDIA's earnings. I hope we get a little push up. But it might not happen. All the way back to the midpoint. You know, I looked at it. I almost hit a trade on the NQ. I wouldn't have got the whole thing. I would have looked for a little scalp. And we're going to go all the way down to where I said, should look for a target. And we got VWAP there too. So we got VWAP and we got the midpoint of the opening range. Stupid market. Stupid, stupid, stupid. Got a 9 count down here. Do we dare bounce from it? I don't know. ES still looking pretty weak. ES is trying to go red. I think I might have missed my shot. Oh boy, so I really FOMO. That was dumb. Dumb. My hand just like twitched. I was watching it, it was like beep. I was like, God dang it. I didn't want to be in that trade. But if I don't want to be in it, I guess I could always hit close, but no. Rather close it in the green. Let's see. We're gonna get a little bit more lift. I'm gonna play keep away. Come on, just get a little blaze up. Just go. Move my stop in the money and just trail it. Come on. All right, stops in the money. Try to trail. Probably ding me out for break even, but break even ish. All right, I'm out. That's what happened on that one. I didn't really want to be in. I was like, yeah, I kind of boop. I was like, oh man, I'm in a trade. So I was really thinking if it pulled back, I was thinking about getting it. Next thing I did, my fingers like, nope, you're in it now. Boop. Thank you. Now I do want to go check something real quick. Has some of that gamma let off on the ES or not? All right, let's go look. So gamma at 7,700. It was there was 7 million up there, so they did lessen it here just a bit. Not much, just a little bit. Put support moved up quite a bit on the 0 DTE. Interesting. All right. Okay. We look at the spot gamma. Spot gamma options flow went up and then whoop, barely positive. What, 1.5 billion maybe positive, but that's not good. It's not a lot. Yeah, I get this thing cooking. Today a reversal candle strong. Yeah, we'll see if the 930 can outdo it though. Get it ripping on back up. Maybe. Maybe not. We shall see. All I know is I don't want to go through a bunch of losing. So I don't want to go green to red today. It's not as fun as it may appear at first glance. So yes, weaker than NQ. Depends on how you look at it. NQ is still down on the day. ES is now down one tick. If we look at VWAPs, here's a VWAP on the NASDAQ. Let's see, how far away is the ES? ES a little bit further away from its VWAP also. So I don't know if I agree with that. Dow's not having a good time. Look at Dow. Dow's not looking so hot. Dow Jones is not looking so hot. Ooh, IWM gap down, filled the gap. Let's go look now. So we have Apple up, Microsoft up. Only two of the Max 7s are green that I see, which I can't believe my options. I haven't seen the notification that my options order has been filled yet. I'm trying to send it down here a little bit. That's getting closer. Are we gonna do the complete opening range right from the high? Ah, you sucker. I didn't take advantage of it. Shame, 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 shame. So up here on the ES, that 7,700, we had a hard time sticking above it. And we knew that from the gamma level, so. ES is down here at VWAP now. All right. Is it going to be all about dump time? Dump, 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 dump. Go back down to support. Maybe. We might have seen the high for the day. Let's do a pull real quick. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Pull. All right, has the ES and NQ put the high in for the day? Yes, no, or mixed. Mixed meaning one up, one has, and one hasn't. So, hey, greetings, Edwin. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Sods. So it crashed 10K points. I don't think we'll crash 10K points today. Might go down. Wow, ES down 6. So all the indices in the red. We're taking a little bit of a haircut here. In oil, I think keeps going up. If I'm right by looking at the market analyzer window. Yeah, oil's up here at session highs. I think oil's not doing much. Dollar index, session highs, or near it. 10-year yield up here near session highs. That's a problem. Nvidia's tanking. Nvidia's going down too. Also. And they have their earnings coming out today, so all going to be about Nvidia after the bell. I don't know why I haven't been wanting to short the markets lately. Definitely missed a good short right here. Peanut might fall 10K. Chinese hackers also broke into the Department of Energy. Yeah, that's a pretty good dip all the way back down. Look at the ES as well. ES giving it up still. So that gamma basically rejected the ES up there. Could not get through it. Let's see what that. Let's see. Look at NQ. NQ is kind of the same thing. We got a little bit above that 300, that gamma level, and then whoop, right back down. We are below that put support too. So to go higher, really need to get back above 200. Otherwise, we're probably going down lower. This market's not having a good time here at the moment. Almost all the way back down to the opening range low. Oh, how wide was this opening range too? 141 points. Man, I should have just shorted up there. Dang it. Dang it, dang it, dang it. All right, look, we're working on bar 8. Maybe we get a bar 9 down here near the opening range low. We do have the VWAP bands down here as well. So up here, I was like, I should have taken a short up there. I said that's a logical area up here in the VWAP bands. I did not take it. Did not. Oh, yes, still going down. Yes, still giving it up. Oh, yeah, oil in 2 minutes. What's that going to bring for the oil markets? Oh, boy. Minute 30 seconds-ish. Until we get the oil, crude oil inventory numbers coming out. Barking's going to be barking at 11:45. We still have Jackson Hole this week. So. Just FOMO'd into a friggin' trade. Again. Big time FOMO. I should have got out. I probably should still get out. It's not where I wanted to get in at. Got slipped on that exit from where I hit the button, but that's fine. I didn't really want to be in right there. We do got a 9 count down here. Look, we went below the opening range low with the 9 count. We start to bounce back up. Probably get a big ripper now that I'm out of it. We do have that news coming out here in just a moment. 18 seconds, 16. So we'll see what crude oil does. Right now, crude oil is down 67 cents. I don't really see crude oil moving too much. We're waiting for that. Let's just go look. There's crude oil. Not really doing a whole lot for the news. So 0.1 forecasted 1.6. You know, a little bit off. A little bit off. Oh, you know what? Let's do this. F it. What am I thinking? Golly, I waited way too long. Let's put another micro trade back on. I'll DC into it. Should have did it down here. Should have did it down here. I'm going to try to ride it all the way back up. Yeah, somebody knew something before the news. That's for sure. Well, I mean, the Oman and Iran news isn't helping things. Or crude oil. So. I haven't seen a Trump tweet here in a little bit. Gonna be on the lookout for that. One could be coming out any moment. $29,075. Only got one micro on, so that should be good. That's below the lows too, huh? I'm hoping we just rip. Give me 300-point NASDAQ trades in one day. That'd be a banger. I don't know that's gonna happen, but I can still fantasize. Now watch it just chop. Let's see. Let's go look at NVIDIA real quick. Are we just going to chop until NVIDIA's earnings come out? NVIDIA's sitting here at the low of the day. SMH trying to bounce. I'm trying to get one candle up. We saw that gap over here to the left. My AC down too cold. Let's see. We need a big old rocket ship. We got some big old candles on that 30-minute chart. Look how ugly this chart looks. Big candle up, big candle down. Down candle actually overdid it with the wick. So oops, wrong. 173-point candles, or the down candle was. Jeez. Jeez Louise. Kind of back to back, just these shaped profiles. So far, we've had nothing more than an inside day. At the high from yesterday, way up here, which clearly we have not made it. The low, we have not made it there yet either. Just stuck. Yesterday was the inside candle. So 2 back-to-back inside days. Oh boy. Oh boy. Market's like, which way do we break? Which way? I got a feeling Nvidia is going to be huge for the market tonight. Nvidia is going to be one of those face rippers. Yeah, I'm with you on that, Raj. Could be. Or maybe somebody knows something and they start buying it or selling it ahead of time. Hey, what do we have for news tomorrow? So if today ends up closing with an inside day, do we have any catalysts for tomorrow? Weekly unemployment claims, Jackson Hole a little bit, and Friday, Wash is going to be speaking. Preliminary benchmark payroll revisions. Revised consumer sentiment, revised inflation expectations. So we had an easy up, we had an easy down, and now we're just trying to figure out what is going to be the next move. I have 1 micro long. Trying to see if I get another 100-point move on the NASDAQ. So I'm going to try to take it all the way back up here towards about 300, which is right near the opening range high. This is one where I will DCA into it. Micros I DCA into them. So I only got 1 contract on at the moment. Trump started pestering them. Yeah, probably. Lower the rates. You know, with all the jokes about Wash and his task force, he's kind of grown on me. First time I listened to him, I was like, oh man, so used to listen to Powell, and it was just different. Hey, the options flow are trying to curl up a little bit too. There it was. Just flatten up, flatten back out. We need to get to 300, Raj, before any selling. 300, please, before any selling. I need my third 100-point trade. That'd be a banger. 3 100-point trades in a day. That would be a banger. That's what I need to get with the NQ versus the MNQ. Yeah, the mighty task force. We are the task force. The mighty, mighty task force. So remember I was a kid. Remember back in the day when the Chicago Bears had their big run? They had their own little song and dance, little video. Swing trader by mistake. Nice. I don't mind swing trading too. Yeah, the Icky Shuffle. The fridge. So we came right to VWAP. We're having a hard time getting through it though. On the NASDAQ. Let's see about the ES. Right to the VWAP. We got a trade detector bubble and then smack back down. So. It was a great year. What year was that? 85? Was that 85? I can't remember. I can still picture the video playing on TV though. 86. All right. The Bears. Yeah. Walsh appears and says, "Good afternoon." And just keeps looking at the camera, blinking. Under the guidance of the task force, I have no further comments. Mic drop. Yeah, don't forget the like button, guys and gals. I mean, the good news is we have a little bit less people on here today. So the odds of getting picked for the duck race increase. Duck race is where we do the giveaways. We got 2 Lucid accounts up for grabs today. So don't miss your chance to grab one. That would be interesting. Thoughts like duck race, duck race, duck race, duck race. Oh boy. Yeah, you gotta get a task force to monitor the other task force. You gotta get 2 task force that monitors that one task force that monitors the 2 task force. Like, wow, we're still waiting on a report. Still waiting, sir. Oh man. Hey, learn the hard way. Hey, do me a favor real quick. Hey, what's the first 3 letters of your email? I'll put you in the duck race. All right. All right, we'll see if your duck has what it takes. Yep. I don't think the market's gonna like Wash. I think he's gonna end up doing some damage to the markets. Where Jay Powell's like, inflation's high, but we're gonna lower rates anyways. The market's like, woohoo! Sugar high, let's go. Yeah, hey Patriots, MFF. No more monthly reoccurring fees. Pretty awesome. Pretty awesomeness. Apex's new sale today too, 90% off. Brought back the legacy accounts. Special pricing. TPT, 40% off, 3 days to pass. Lucid, 40% off for the daily accounts. A lot of great sales right now. Trade 5, 40% off. So. Hey, so you can only have 3 funded accounts. Hey, Patriots. Hey, and if you use my code Mike, the first 4 uses are 50% off. After that, you get 40% off. That goes for any account, not just a certain account, any account. So, and that'll also get you into the club using my code. 20-50K accounts, pass it, and take a payout. Hey, Raj, I passed 20 of them in one trade. I think we did on one of the old streams. I might have deleted it. We did on one of the old streams. Yeah, I just want to make sure, learn the hard way. I just want to make sure. So I can just cross-reference it when I go look it up. Yeah, no activation fee for MFF either. Their new offering's pretty... Look, you can get a daily account. Well, where else are you going to do this at? This is pretty darn good, I think. I mean, especially since I just re-upped mine last week. I paid 126. So I wish the sale would have been going on then, last Thursday. But you can get the rapid EOD account for 105 bucks. It says limited time on this account. That's pretty darn good. Ah, dang it. Why are you doing that? Here, oh. Here we say rapid, like, oh, you want to buy? You want to buy? You want to buy? Rapid EOD account, but you get EOD drawdown in the evaluation and once you're funded. So both drawdowns are EOD. Most of the other accounts that have daily payouts have intraday drawdown once you're funded. So let's go. Yeah, only 50K has a rapid EOD account at this time. Yes. But anyways, if you use my code, 50% off the first 4 uses, any of their accounts, 40% after you've used it 4 times. And you get put into the builder, or you get put into a club, which I'm going to do a video breakdown of all that later, probably on Saturday, I think. And that's going to be my Saturday video I'm planning. So. Look, they whoop right back up. Look, are we gonna be able to break? It's like a little bull flag-ish, little bull flag. Pull back to EMAs. I might go long. I might go long. Try to push it. Little push. I need a little pullback back to the EMAs though. Could be a little bull flag coming. This will be a flagpole, a little flag-ish. I know my drawings suck. Come on, keep on pushing. Trying to shake it? Yeah, maybe. They're not going to give me a shot to get in this. But I mean, the good news is, at least I have some participation with that micro still. So, micro, I'm trying to take all the way up to 300-ish. That'd be my third 100-point trade in the micros today. Which... that'd be over $600 trading one micro. That's a banger. $600, one micro. Jeez. Jeez Louise. Oh, no, we don't want to think about that. Hey, so the worst time ever trading for me was... when I say worst, I don't mean P&L wise. I just mean misery wise. Was way back here. Yeah, over in this area, I think it was. Nah, it might have been before that, actually. Hold on. This is before that. I feel like it was somewhere over here. The VIX was right around 10. And then over here was probably pretty horrible too. VIX went all the way to 8. What was that? 2017, April to December. What was this over here? July. Let's look. I wonder if I still go back that far. Let's go look at the range real quick of what the S&P was way back then. There we go. July. I think you're gonna be like, oh, this is disgusting. At least for me it was. If this is the time I'm thinking of, I was like 10 to 12 point ranges on the ES. Let's see that day. Dang it. This day right here. So 82. 82 to 09. That's a little bit bigger. That's not the period I'm thinking of. It was some other time, but there was like 10 to 15 point ranges on average on the ES. It was horrible. Horrible. 61 to 80. That's 20 points. It was horrible. I remember it. It was right here. 87. Yeah, 87 to 95. 8-point range that day. Day before that, 86 to 94. Less than 10 points. It was horrible. Horrible. But all right, VIX is trying to roll over a little bit. VIX coming down should be favorable for the markets. I missed my pullback to the EMAs over here. No, me and my friend were talking like, man, this sucks. I wish I had some volatility. Then when the volatility picked in the first couple days, I was on the wrong side of the market. I was like, can we go back to slow days? All right, come on. Let's go ahead and rip all the way up to 300 now. Rip up to 300, get my third 100-point trade. Let's get it. I don't know if I want to short it. I really think that we got a chance of pushing through it. But I mean, we got to get up there first. So like that one trade I didn't want to be in down here. Should have just held it. We got a lot more than what I got. But you're long in queue at 215. Pull back to the upside. All right. Serious head and shoulders on the 15-minute. Yeah. Let's see. I have a hard time seeing that. Maybe left shoulder, head, right shoulder. To me, it's not as clean. I have a hard time seeing stuff that I don't have an artsy fartsy mind. What's really funny is I can see cup and handle patterns, but an inverse cup and handle I have a hard time seeing. I don't know why. Come on, keep on pumping it. Pump it up. My micro right here is now up 136. Trying to push it to at least 300. That would give me my third 100-point trade of the day. 100 points, crack, bam. 100 points, bam. Smacking them out the park. Too bad I just didn't have more size on them. If they would have been NQ trades, that would be a banger of a day. It'd be 6K plus. But, you know, they did go in drawdown, so I would have probably been sweating it out. That's why I didn't do the bigger contracts. On those type of trades, I like to give it a little bit room to swing. All right, short term, we're coming in to be an overbought. You can see the red background. A little bit. Hey, don't tell anybody, but tomorrow we might do the giveaways different time. We're gonna mix it up a little bit. Duck swim before 11:30. Yeah, hey Eddie, if you're in a meeting, here's what I'll do. I'll give you a spot. You're in here every day, so I'll give you a spot. I'll put you on duck race. So, yeah, a little retracement coming off that overbought area. Now I might take it long here in a moment, momentarily. I'm looking to maybe go long for a little scalpy scalp. Hopefully it doesn't scalp me. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, EDU. Hey, we still got to vote on which. We still got to vote on which place duck is going to be the second winner. So the duck that gets the number one spot will be guaranteed to win. But then we'll vote to see which other one. All right, I'm going to go ahead and close out the poll. It's not as overwhelmingly as I thought it would be. 53% said the high is in. 30% said no. 17% is mixed. Got my finger on the buy button. Finger is on the buy button. Make it your duck place. Mr. Dang it, missed my entry. Missed my friggin' entry. Ah, I missed it. That's all right. I'll just FOMO into it. My stop loss is almost where my entry should have been. Take it. Take a little scalp there. Take a little scalpy scalp. Ooh, I wouldn't mind if I get another scalp for about $80. Then have the micro go up and hit target, or just get more than what I'm looking for in the micro. That would do it too. So red to green, nice. Hey, Apple, red to green is always good. Always, always good. I mean, it's even better just green to green. But I seem to like to go green to red, green to red, green to red. I hate that. It's so frustrating. Where's Yao? So the ES is only down 2.5 points. Percentage wise, it's doing the best, only down 0.03, followed by the NASDAQ, which is down 0.08. Miles submitted. Follow the bouncing Bitcoin. Hey, KD, is the models bullish or bearish? What do you got for your models? Are we looking to be buyers or sellers? It doesn't show green. Well, hey, when that happens, hey, Lizard, when that happens, here's how you flip it to green. You just got to wire in more money to your account. Then it goes green. Ah, bearish tooth today, KD. Ah, why are you doing this to me? I had a feeling you were going to say that. Had a feeling. I was hoping not, but. Hopefully before we flip back and go down, we at least get my target on my M and Q. That'd be nice. Nice. So. Bearish exhaustion. Oh boy. Let's not get the push down. Let's hope we're already exhausted to the downside. I still need another 50 points on my NASDAQ. Let's look at NVIDIA. NVIDIA had a pretty decent push down. Now we started going up. Got a couple wicks up here. VIX down 4 cents. VIX going down is favorable. One of the problems we have though, look at the dollar. Dollar's still up at session highs. The yields, yields pulled back a little bit. Up over opening price. No, JD, opening price is at 288. So we're below that. Let's go see if I got it. I didn't get it yet. Oh, that's great. All right, let's keep it pushing. Try and position for the NVIDIA earnings. So, hey, so it's going to be very, 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 very important today. Let's look. I know we talked about this recently, but today even more so than ever, it's important. NVIDIA has earnings after the bell. NVIDIA makes up 7.34% of the S&P. We go look at the NASDAQ, it's even more. NASDAQ, it makes up 12.48%. So if NVIDIA has a good reaction to earnings, these indices are going to go flying. Has a bad reaction, probably going to go pew, right back down. So Thursday and the Friday. I just need the market to scream up for a minute. Just go up another 50 points, please. And thank you. Hey, ES is trying to go back up, actually. Just caught that out of the corner of my eye. ES is trying to make a move back up. I do think we come back up to 7,700 again. I think there's a better chance. We might get a little back and forth, but I think we're going to push through it if we get back up there again. I feel like we're going to end up eating away all that supply up there. Oh, hey, J Loves. I got you set up already. I remember your name. I think about Jenny from the block. In my head, J Loves, you're J Lo. Need you to call your boss? Hey, yeah, tell your boss. Hit me up. I'll tell him, hey, yeah, Jay Loves, yeah, he doesn't work for you no more. He's out of here. Yep. Taco flavored kisses. So you can take this job and shove it. But hey, if he loses money in the market, you gotta hire him back. He just needs a little temporary vacation to see if he can make millions first. If it doesn't, then he wants to come back. All right, look, we're getting closer and closer. 300-ish. We get around 300. That's going to be my third 100-point trade on this NASDAQ. Gold, oh, wow. Gold did dump. Holy shoot. Holy smacks. Yeah, I might want to take a shot maybe. Hold up. Yeah, gold did dump down pretty good. Where are we at in the VWAP bands? I'm assuming. Ooh, we just barely touched the second one. If that would have been closer to a third, I might take a swing at it. So let me just add that to my charts up here. Duplicate new tab. MGC. I'm not going to do it with GC. I'm going to do it with a micro if I trade it. Just to be clear. I'll keep watching that. Oh boy. Hey, so the only one of the indices in the green is the S&P. It's up 2.25, 2 points, 2.5. He's bouncing around. Dow's down 99, NASDAQ's down 19. Russell down 6. 30 on the board. Hey, let's go, Sam. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, I wonder how Jesse's doing because he hasn't chimed in. Hey, Jesse, are you listening? How's trading going? Let's go see. He's been awful quiet. Yeah, but usually when someone goes quiet, it's not good. They're usually in the, please come back, please come back, please come back. Hey, Lee, what's up, what's up? Oh, there he is. Oh, man, that's awesome, Jesse. I didn't hear from you, so I'm like, please don't let it be bad, please. Hey, gold's still going down. Gold's still going down. Oh, man. Hey, Jesse did have a really good day in those accounts. Yeah, I'm going to show you guys. Here's his accounts. Ooh, nice. So 554, 556, 556, 114, and 114. Nice. That's awesome. Good deal. Hey, gold's still coming down. Yes, that's live. It's not funded, it's live. Like a live, they moved him to live. So his orders are being routed to the exchange. All right, here's gold down here. Hey, Raj, what do you think about gold? Because I do favor on the higher time frames going, selling it. Gold's like, Mike, come on in. The water's warm. Do it. Do it. Oh, wow, it's 11:06 already. Keep breaking all your rules. I hate that. I hate that. That's NASDAQ's ripping too. Look at it. Am I going to get my 100-pointer in the NASDAQ? Ooh, they want to take a swing at gold too. Let's get it. 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 Please. Pretty please. Sugar on top. So yes, it's still the only one in the green. Dang it. Only need a little bit more. So 297 right there would give me 100 points. I really want 300-point trades today. We still got to do the duck race. We got to do the duck race. Quack, 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 quack. Trying to wait till I was out of this trade, but. Yeah, it's gonna try to push that 7,700 again too. It's very high, yeah. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Please and thank you. Come on. I need a third 100-point trade here. Really want to get out around 300. Can we get up there? Hmm. Well, see, I'm about to take off that gold trade, playing it off the VWAP bands. Remember, I said I need another $80. I'm getting out of that. But then if my M&Q trade hits target, I'm going to be good. I'll be good. Good. I'll be happy where I'm at for the day. Just need a little bit more. A little bit more. There are 30 points on the NASDAQ. And I'm out. Out. What was those? Low. Oh, if we hold above the ES, then I want 77.10 and then right around 24 to 25. We'll see if we can get up there. Maybe we do, maybe we don't. Let's actually go look, see what the bonds are doing right now. So got the little wick going on the gold. Dollar's trying to pull back here a little bit. Anybody still in gold, that should be good for gold. Should be. And 10-year yield. Let's pull back off the high a little bit. We do have a 9 count here on the NASDAQ. What about ES? ES had a 9 count as well. Got a little pullback. We'll see if it accelerates. Can they do it? Red to green, now green to red. Yeah. Hate going great green to red. That sucks. You guys see me do it all the time. I don't like it. Real quick, the quickest version, 9 count equals potential exhaustion. If you want more in depth in how to get the indicator for free, I show examples how it showed up during other turning points in the market. Nightbot just posted a link. Go watch it. Why did I start getting a little white check mark next to my name? I don't get that. Hey, Grumpy, not a problem. Well, hey, we still got inside days. So once we break out of these inside days, we have the potential for some big moves. Remember, contraction leads to expansion. So if we zoom this out, yesterday, the low was higher than the prior day's low. The high was lower than the high. Today, so far, we've been contained within yesterday's range as well. So once we break, there's a potential for a big move. Now, will it be after NVIDIA's earnings? Maybe. Third standard deviation breach in 30 minutes. Let's see. Now, if you guys do want a chance to win one of the Lucid accounts, make sure you're signed up to the email list down below. If you're already on the email list, nothing to do in terms of that. Once you sign up, you'll get a confirmation email. Click on that. Make sure you verify your email. A lot of times it goes to your spam. So $80. One of the reasons we trade's a good mood. Oh, you should see it. Like I get pretty mad at myself when I'm not on stream. You stupid mother beep. You guys see the better version. Like last week, not so good. Do. The little pullback, are we gonna get that VWAP or not? Do we get the VWAP? Again, the options flow is just non-existent. Went up a little bit, went down a little bit, but we're hovering just over 1 billion. That's nothing. Not much at all. ES is struggling a little bit here. ES came up like, which is kind of good. Give it a little resting room so it can kind of launch through that, through the high of the day. But if it's going to. Yeah, that's the other thing. Very low orders on Bookmap. We can zing quick. You know, low orders equals not very good supportive resistance. We get fast accelerated moves. Yeah, oil's only down 19 cents. Wow. CL. CL's running pretty good. GC. Ooh, good thing I got all that gold. Gold has tempted me again, though. Look for that dump candle any moment. Gold's tempted me, Raj. Calling my name. They're still pounding it down. Yes, it's back in the red. Yeah, Apex brought the legacy accounts back for the current sale. Just started today. Probably gonna do a video on it later today and put it out tonight or tomorrow. Jeez. That's quite a bit of selling. Quite a bit of selling going on here. Short term, we are oversold to the green background. Do I dare take a swing at it? Yeah, I'm getting ready to smack gold, Raj. I'm watching it. I'm watching this NASDAQ too. Yeah, we just got below VWAP. Hey, here's what we want to see. Do we find support around VWAP? If not, you know, it's not going to be so good. We're just going to keep chopping. Come on, stupid market. Get on up there, please, and thank you. I try to move my target up. I try and drag my target up and it hit my target right as I was moving it. That's all right. So far, I like the way that candle's forming so far. Can we build on that and get a little bit more of a lift? If so, that'll be pretty bullish. Maybe we can resume the path up. What about ES? Same thing on the ES. We're working on bar 9 right now too. So. Oh yeah, we got to do the vote, huh? On the other duck. Wow, sorry, 11:18. Crap. All right. Which? We're gonna do 13th again. And last. All right, so which place duck should get the second Lucid account? 6th place, 13th, 19th, or last? 2 and done. Nice. Look, gold's getting a little bouncy bounce. Gold's getting a little bounce. Can we build on that bounce a little bit? Okay, Siri, set timer for 5 minutes. All right, so the poll will expire in about 5 minutes. Let's see. Are we gonna get a little bit lift out of here a little bit? Just a little ping, ping, ping. So all 4 indices in the red. Yes is doing the best, but it's still red. Still's red. Come on. I'm in this goal, but I got my finger on the trigger. I'm about to close it. Close it. Really wanted like 70 or 80, but that's fine. Whatever. Whatever. I'm not going to be greedy. Not going to be greedy on it. I don't know which 2 names. I have a whole list of people that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 7 people that I've set aside on Notepad. Hopefully it's one of them. I really don't know though. I really need about another $40. $40. Which I could close out the MNQ and get there, but we'll see who Nightbot's gonna pick. Oh, what did I do with Nightbot? Did I close it out? I think I did. Gosh darn it. Oh no, he's up there. So we have 2 minutes. 2 minutes to vote. Go look for something. I can't remember. Hey Raj, I'm wishing you get in. Nightbot doesn't like Raj too much. I don't know what's up with it. Raj made Nightbot mad. Let's see. That's what I was gonna check. You guys have it yet? Smash it. Smash, 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 smash. So you voted to put him in. It looks like 13th is in the lead again. If you don't like that lucky 13 number, you might want to cast your vote. Hey, Tom, the question is, did you? Oh, man. Hey, we might chop around waiting for NVIDIA. NVIDIA's going to be a big market moving event today. It's going to be a big one. So the reason why I started picking a handful of people as well, Nightbot doesn't always reward the people that's here all the time. So I like to give everybody a fair shake at it. Uh-oh. All right, the poll is going to end. Bam. All right, there we go. So duck 1 and 13 are going to be the winning ducks. All right. So let's get ready to throw out the key phrase. Who is ready? Type it in the chat. The key phrase. Now, hold on. Slow down. One last time, because I got accused. You didn't tell me this before. You got to be on the email list. Your emails got to be confirmed. Otherwise, if you win, you will forfeit. And again, I don't want nobody to forfeit, but with all the scammers out there, it just makes it hard tracking everybody down. So next, I'm going to type in a key phrase in the chat. Spam the chat with a key phrase. Nightbot's going to pick out 10 to 12 people. And then I will pick out a handful of people myself. All right. 3, 2, 1. Boop. I want a Lucid account. Let's go. Let's go. Bam. Ace Trades. Yeah, I think he was first last night. Or yesterday. One or two. So I'll give people a chance to type it in. Let's see if the speedy chat can get the market. Hey, look, NASDAQ's starting to go up. The faster you guys type it in, the market's going up more. Woo! It's going to be good for my micro. We need another 50 points still. Let's get it. All right, next one is going to be NN Trading, it looks like. Next one, Atomic Trader. Oops. Atomic Trades. There we go. All right, next one. Oh boy. One, two, three, four, five. Hey, Manuel, you made it. I was going to put you in anyways, but at least you have a spot. All right. Hey, Chime, you're in too? I was looking at your name. It's not bot picked. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, not bot's going to pick at least 2 more. Elijah Fade. I'm liking Nightbot's selections today. Woo! Knowledge, you have a spot. All right, Mr. Tactical Reviews, you have a spot. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, let's go round out Nightbot's picks. All right, you guys can quit spamming the chat. All right. People wanted me to pick Raj, so I'm going to give Raj a spot as soon as I find his name. You guys can quit spamming the chat. There we go. Hey, Blink, you have a spot? I think I have Apple in there already, don't I? I do not. Apple, you have a spot? Miranda, you have a spot? Dirty Socks? You have a spot? BK, you have a spot? So remember, it's going to be the first place duck and the 13th. Each of you guys will be getting an account. I'll look up here in a minute. We'll figure out which account it's going to be. Smushy, you're going to get a spot. All right. Poor guy, no, I already got you. Oh, the boss. You have a spot. Captain Rex. Give you a spot. Where'd your name go? Alley Cat. iTrades. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna pick one more. Make it even 30. Hey, Natty, I'm gonna give you a spot. All right, let's get round it out. Oh, you know, hold on. I'm gonna pick one more. I'm gonna pick two more. Two more. Hedged and brutal. You guys have a spot? Oh, market's coming back down. Edit. Ooh, we have a mystery duck I'm going to leave in there too. Ooh, we'll see how that works. All right. Do a 2-minute race. Let's see who's got what it takes. Which two ducks are going to receive the Lucid accounts? Nobody knows. So, hey, if you're not first, don't jump off. You could still win. It's going to be first and the 13th duck. On your marks. Get set. Boop. Marky gave us a little boink. A little sell too. Oh, dang it. I knew who's... Oh, dang it. Kim, I meant to put you in. Oh, we're coming back down. Oh, ES is getting it pretty good to the downside, actually. ES down 5.5. And we're just in this nasty chop crap. Chop. Oh, real estate. I meant to get you in there too. I don't know how I didn't see you. Yeah, I'm gonna have to put you on the list. So tomorrow or tonight. I don't know. I don't see his duck, but I know I put him in there. I don't see his duck. I was just thinking that. He's in here somewhere. At least he should be. Yeah, he should be. Right. Oh, he's right by Eddie. Right there. There he is. He's right in the middle of the pack. He's fading back, getting ready to launch. Uh-oh. Which one's got a slingshot out of the back to win it? Wow, Dow's down 171 now. Gold's down 42. Crude oil's up 9. Ooh, what's that? Uh-oh. Is Brutal gonna win? All right, Brutal for the win. Brutal FX for the win. All right, we'll start to look and see who was Duck 13. So let's see. Hey, Brutal, what's the first 3 letters of your email? BRU. Excuse me. Nope, not that one. This one maybe? Ooh. I think this is you, but nope, that's not you. Man, I don't know if this is you or not. I'll take it back to that one. Because the screen name is kind of similar, but it's not. Ew. Oh boy, I don't know. I'll see. Hey, Brutal. I don't know if I can find you on the list. Hey, do you got it? Do you got my recent email that I sent out? Or not recent, last weekend, last Saturday. I think last Saturday was the last email I sent out. Hey, respond back. I'm having a hard time locating your name. Oh, you won that? Hold on. All right. I have a lot that are really close. And it's like, oh, BRU 92. Let's check that out. That might narrow it down. BRU. They're trying to lift back up here. I don't have any BRU 92. We just check this way. I don't have any. If you have the email me from the email I sent out Saturday. All right, let's try that. I don't have one there. Hold on. I don't have you on the one email list. I see we were emailed in the past. August 10th. Oh, why is it not pulling up there? Hold on. Let me do this. Oh, there you are. I got you. Oh, you're on there. Hey, Brutal, I found you. I found you. I was in the wrong section. All right, so winner. We gotta log into Lucid real quick. Let's see what Lucid accounts we're giving away today. Let's see, what are the accounts going to be? I might give a choice. I might give a choice to the winner. Friday we're gonna give away the big account. We have a 150K account we're gonna give away on Friday. So if you want a chance to win, you might want to be there Friday. Just saying. Hey, Brutal. Hey, so you get the choice. So the first place winner gets a choice. You want the Lucid Pro 50K, they're both 50Ks, or the Lucid Flex. And we can go log in. Which one do you want? Your choice. Pro? All right. Pro it is. Copy. Okay. All right, Brutal, I sent it. Sent. Gone. So, might come from my other email list, or my email I use for giveaways. But hey, I only need about 25 more points in the micro. Now, unfortunately, there is no 13th place duck. Somehow I just skipped it. No, I'm joking. Let's go see who the 13th place duck was. Who is it? There we go. Let's see the suspense. Number 13th. Who's it going to be? Not Apple. Learn the hard way. Wasn't them. No J-Lo. Not Eddie. Not Dirty Socks. Atomic Trades, number 13th duck. Who was the last place? Kind of curious. Mr. Tactical. All right. Hey, Atomic, are you still in here? Hopefully you are. Let's see. Hey, and keep in mind, when we stream tonight, I have 2 more accounts to give away. I can't find him in here. Oh, there he is. Hey, Atomic, what's the first 3 letters of your email? RSA. Come on, baby. Let's keep going. Looking for my third 100-point trade in the micros. Still going. Come on. We need about 300 on there. Can we get it? Can we do it? All right, RSA. Let's see. Wow. All right, I found you, Atomic. Hold on a second. All this chirping's got me excited. Am I gonna be able to get out of this trade? So. Ugh. Hey, Atomic, so you're gonna get you're gonna get a Flex account as well. Or you're gonna get the Flex account. All right, there we go. They got NASDAQ up for the day. NASDAQ is green. Yeah, it's trying to go up. Come on, baby. Just get that 300. Let's do it. Targets filled. Nice. Nice. Let me get my target filled. Stupid market. fast to go back and get the code. Ugh. I just made a boo-boo. All right. Come on, NASDAQ. Just go up there. Email. Bam. All right, hey, Atomic, I just sent it to you. You should have it. All right. Fantastic. So tonight we're going to try to give away a pro account and a flex account as well. Ew, I don't like that we have the 9 count up here. Can this end up being a busted 9 count, please? Come up to these deviation bands. Please, 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 please. Oh, perfect. All right. And look at the options flow, though. Options flow is not suggested a big move right now. Options flows it's positive, but not by a whole lot. It's barely positive. It went down just below zero a little bit ago. 30-minute 9 count. Yeah, Atomic finally won. I like to see everybody win in here. Not just, 1 or 2 people, but where'd I go? Where'd it go? Yeah, hey, Atomic. So instead of using code Mike, just put in the code that I gave you and it should zero it out. Should be for a flex account. You want the bots to lose? Hey, BK, I appreciate that. Hey, believe it or not, you guys have helped me out tremendously. Like, tremendously. I've gotten way better at trading. My whole stop loss, using my stop losses, not moving them around. That was from you guys, so I do appreciate it. I would have been on stream last Thursday. I probably wouldn't have blown up. I wouldn't have went on a spending spree on all those prop accounts. I wouldn't have been blowing them up left and right. They know I know. Come on. I just want to get out of this trade. Please hit my target. I want the 3. 1, 2, 3. 100-point trade today. That's what I'm gunning for. That's all I want. Please and thank you. Hey, Raj, maybe. It does help. Now, at first, it is a little bit more nervous, but when you get down, so imagine how bad you feel losing. Now, do that in front of people. It's way worse. I promise you. Way worse. If you do decide to stream, you might want to size down to your own sanity a little bit. But yeah, Raj, we appreciate you too. A lot of people I talk to off stream, Raj, really appreciate you. And they hold you in high regards. So look, right back to the opening price. 288. Come on. Come on. Get it. Get it. I want over 3 just to make sure I don't get no slippage. Make sure I get that 100 points. 100 points. All we need is another 10. Just squeeze it. Dang it. Yeah. Hey, so what I do is all the trades that I place, I snip them out and I put them into one file and I watch them at the end of the week. I go back and make like a highlight reel, watch them, and I store them, and I got a lot of them. Gosh darn it. Will someone just tell the NASDAQ that it needs to go higher, please? Please. Walked away for 30 minutes and we bounced. Yeah, but we're bouncing back down now. Like the market's just, let's go check on Nvidia real quick. Where's Nvidia at? Let's go look. Hey, gold had a really good bounce. I should have held that gold a little bit longer. I took two trades on gold, but Nvidia, you stupid NASDAQ going the wrong way. Yeah, Nvidia's still down $1.91, almost down 1%. Nvidia has a negative reaction to earnings. Oh, that was a pretty nice little move down. Let's see SMH real quick. Heat map. Nvidia's down. So we have Apple, Microsoft, Meta. We only have 3 of the Mag 7 in the green. And how's RSP? Stupid market. RSP is up 0.30, where the SPY is down 0.32. That's actually good. That since the equal weight S&P 500 is bullish, that means the market's actually doing better. Yeah, I came back down on my trade. I need more now. Back to needing 50 points again. So I'm going to hold it until whenever it hits. Might jump out before earnings. I might jump out before Nvidia's earnings though. So, hey Eric, see you later. Yeah, I do want to thank everybody that comes and hangs out. Appreciate you guys. We will be streaming tonight at 8 o'clock as well. Trying to hold off to see if we can get out of this trade before the stream ends. I don't know that it's going to pan out for me that way. That's weird. Look at the wick we have on this ES. Big wick on the bottom, big wick on the top. Candle closes in about 7 minutes. So do we close with a wick on both ends? Or do we come back down or up? Take out one of those wicks. And that's how it looks a little bit smaller. Putin said to plan Ukraine escalation. Seeing talks fruitless. So Russia says they're still ramping up. Nice. Good job on that. Repeat. Hey, see you later, Chris. Thanks for stopping by, hanging out. Hey, in case you guys don't know, Chris has probably been on the stream longer than anybody else. Background had less than 20 people on the stream. So I do appreciate you, Chris. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It's gonna be unfortunate. I really wanted to get the 300 pointers, but we'll see. We'll see. You know, right now we're above VWAP, but are we going to slice right back through it again? We've had, after we broke up here, we've had 1 test, 2 tests. Is the 3rd test going to break it? They might. BS is really starting to weaken here a little bit too. Nice trade detector bubble up there. Another one there. Still pushing down. What motivated me to start streaming? When I did it at night, one of my friends was asking me to stream at night. He goes, I'm at work during the day. I can't trade. Da, 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 da. So that's how it started. So one of my friends. So I said, all right. So I did it. I was a nervous wreck. Nervous. Scared like you don't even know. So. I was hoping to be out of this trade, but it doesn't look like I'm going to be out before the stream ends. And I'm going to go run, get some lunch. Then I might go take a little swim in the pool with my daughter for a while. And hopefully I get a little alert on my watch. Order filled. That'll be my third 100-point trade of the day. I don't know if it's going to work out. Probably going to chop around till NVIDIA earnings come out. So maybe the plan is just buy the lower edge, fade the upper edge, and keep doing it until it doesn't work. So, but with that being said, I'm going to jump off. Hopefully you guys will come join me tonight. I have the stream set up at 8:30. I've been coming on around 8. So if you guys want to come join me, love to see you guys there this evening. We got 2 more Lucid accounts to give away today. So if you guys will come and join me, look forward to seeing you guys later.